Thank you for considering PJ Fitzpatrick for your home improvement needs. We would like to take a few minutes to share with you our door installation process. Our highly trained door installer will arrive at your home and will greet you at your front door with a smile and excited to serve you. Our installer will review all aspects of the work to be done to ensure we exceed all of your expectations. This includes inspecting your new door to ensure proper size, color, and style. Protecting your home during the installation process is our highest priority. We will place non-skid drop cloths around the area where we are working so that we can leave your house as clean as we found it. While removing your old door, our installer will work to minimize debris and decrease the possibility of the spread of any dust throughout the house. Please do not be alarmed if during this phase of the project you hear some banging and sawing. These are just the sounds of an expert craftsman applying his trade. After all the debris is removed, our door installer will inspect for any necessary framing repairs. After everything is properly prepared, the new door installation begins. After installation of the new door, we will fabricate any necessary heavy-duty aluminum capping so that we can complete a custom maintenance-free finish around the exterior. While we finalize the exterior finish, we will use only the highest quality products to seal the perimeter of your newly installed door. We have found that cleaning up as we go not only makes for a great lasting impression, it also provides a safer working environment not only for the installer, but for you and your family as well. One last vacuum and cleaning of the entire area, then the installer starts taking all the equipment outside to his truck. Your new door is complete. Our door installer will review all of the cleaning and operation instructions you will need to enjoy your new PJ Fitzpatrick door. Before heading out, we will review your complete job packet, answer any questions you may have, and then collect payment or get a completion certificate signed for the financing. Welcome to the PJ Fitzpatrick family. Thank you for trusting us with your project.